Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to broadcast your Zoom meeting into Facebook Live. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to enable broadcasting into Facebook Live, you just simply have to open your Zoom account into any of your browser. And after going into browser, just simply go into this setting tab, and from these settings, you just simply have to choose the meeting setting, and into here you will get the option to broadcast your meeting into so many social platforms. But in order to do that, you will need premium account of Zoom. Now, if you have premium account or if you desperately want the live feature, you just simply have to get the premium account, and after that come to this in meeting advanced section, and you will find the option here to live. You just simply have to take the boxes for every platform that you want, and you can share your live meeting from Zoom to the Facebook. I can't show you the whole process because I don't have the premium account of Zoom, but you can easily follow that process and you can go to Facebook Live. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.